Arvin Tolentino is making waves. Leading the best player of the conference race in the PBA Commissioner's Cup is no small feat, especially against the likes of Junmar Fajardo. His consistent performances have been impressive and a 24.71 statistical average proves he's at the top of his game. Calvin Optana and Robert Bullock are close behind, keeping things competitive, but Tolentino might just pull off a massive achievement if he keeps this momentum. Do you think this will finally be Arvin's breakout moment? The latest update for the BPC race. Arvin Tolentino is leading the way to win the award against Junmar Fajardo. Kasalukuyang numero 1 sa liga ang Batang Pierre. Pinapangunahan ng kanilang local player na si Arvin Tolentino, at ng import nilang si Kadim Jack. Magandang addition yung import nila. Hindi explosive pero simpleng veterano, na fit sa sistema nila. Wala pang Gio Halalon, pero tila sapat na sina Fran Yu at Evan Nel. Solid ang mga local players dahil bukod kay Arvin Tolentino, may mga two-way player pa sila tulad nina Joshua Munzon at William Navarro. Mayroon din silang mga mixed role players. Veteran Sydney Onuber, Sniper Alin Bulanadi, and Slasher Cade Flores. Maayos naman yung coaching staff ng Northport, sa pangunguna ni Head Coach Bonnie Tan, pati ni Assistant Coach Jeff Napa, at team manager nila, na si Pido Herencio. At nilinaw din nila, na walang trade na magaganap sa Northport. At mananatili sa Northport si Arvin Tolentino.
Kamusta mga idol? Sports Zone PH, para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.